Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume. To adjust the call volume, you need to be in an active call with somebody, but to change basically the media volume, we need to go to the settings, sound and vibration, and here volume. Here we have the media volume. We want to make sure that it's maxed out, just like mine. And after that, what we're going to do is we want to make sure that our do not disturb is disabled. So here you guys don't need to find anything else in those settings. We just scroll down here and go to do not disturb. As you guys can see here, you already have a checkbox to enable it, and now it is enabled, but we want to make sure that it's disabled because this will mute all calls, notifications, and every single alert if it's not yours. So if you set up, let's say, an alarm for 6 a.m., then it will still call, but any other alarm, you just won't hear it. Next, what you guys want to do is make sure that your speaker ports are clean. So my phone is in a case right now, but as you guys can see here, we have the speaker grills. We want to make sure that they are shiny right here and make sure that there's no dust in them, because as we know, dust can block a lot of the sounds, also the connections and everything. So we want to make sure that they're clean. We can clean them with a soft brush, for an example, nothing metallic, because this way we will only damage them even more. Next, what we want to do is we want to force restart or just restart our phone. We want to make sure that we press the power button, the volume down button, and here press restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now the phone is restarting, the system is refreshing, and that's what we wanted to do. It's very important to restart your device because it can fix a lot of minor glitches. So I'll see you guys once the device is restarted. After the restart, what we want to do is we want to quickly enter the password if we have one, then wait for the phone to start up, and as a last resort here, what we're going to do is we're going to update our software to fix any audio glitches. So let's go over into the settings. Now in those settings, we want to scroll a bit down until we see the software update. Here, as you guys can see, I have an update ready to install. We click download and install, and here we can schedule it or install it right now. So here you guys can update your software and make sure that you're on the latest version, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.